All right, swing, catch, and squat. Normally I only did this once a year, but I've done it twice already this year. With the 80 pounds, I can get in more reps, more volume with the 80. The 97 definitely gasses me, but it's such an athletic move because you have to catch the bell on top as you do a partial swing or a high pull up to that upright position. And obviously your grip and your core are fully engaged, your quads because it's in front of you, it's pulling you forward. So many different variables that are going on there. So yeah, the more you get into the set, the more you really got to focus on that concentration of catching the bell. So that's why I like it. It's just something different. I started out doing some cleans and high pulls with 60 and 65 prior to this. But this has become one of my staples, I guess, like I said, just to test myself, a beta test, because it involves all those factors. And I think last time I did it, I did 38. And that might have been for 10 minutes. So today I got in 43 for about 8 minutes, just over 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 8 seconds. And my breaks were 20, 25 seconds on average. And like I said, 3 to 5 reps per set. So I did about an hour and a half worth of yard work prior to this. That's why I got my Farmer John pants on. Loose fitting, so they're good for squats. And it was getting warm outside. It was probably about 83. I thought about doing it outside, but it's like, that sun would definitely zap me doing this. So small sets, and as always, I'm always chasing that incremental progress. You know, I'm getting older, so I really gotta, be careful training on that envelope. It's just, you're just more prone to injury as you get older, so you gotta listen to your body. And it works for me. And because I really stretch and do a lot of core work prior to any of these workouts, that's kind of my secret sauce for longevity and preserving my strength at range of motion. So mobility, flexibility, core work, it's just essential, I'd say, after 50 years old to stay injury-free. Yeah, like I said before, the goal is longevity. Prolong your functional strength as long as possible and feeling good along the way, along the journey. Thanks for watching, everybody. And as always, keep making progress one day at a time. And remember, it's all relative to where you're at. Whew. Whew.